presented a Temptations items with a collab before.
Oh, you haven't? You know, we
haven't.
collab with them a lot.
You do? Okay, well, this is very interesting because we're seeing a collaboration between Temptations and Henning Lee with this silicone rectangle baking pan. And you might be thinking, wait, a silicone baking pan? But it's reinforced all the way around with this fantastic metal that is really the whole thing is just wonderful. It's on a clearance price of $13.99 or 3 easy payments of $4.66. Also first day at this low price, and there's no reorders, and we're down to our final quantities. This is wonderful. I mean, talk about the best way to pop out anything that you're like baking in here, especially the bakers out there. So the colors that we have right here for you are the poinsettia up here.
Look how pretty that is with the cardinal.
With the cardinal. And I love this beautiful buttercream that you guys put this on.
Isn't it beautiful?
So
Instead
pretty.
of white. You know why? Because Tara wanted to be sure like food wouldn't stain it.
Of course.
So
no, definitely.
I love this. Yes.
Absolutely. All right. So there's our poinsettia. And then down here in the front, we have holly peppermint.
That colorway is so fun.
So bright and cheery.
Yeah.
Makes you smile instantly. I've got winter whimsy. Oh, no. Merry Chefs.
Look how cute they are with their chef hats on. They're all
Not to be
hands.
confused with Winter Whimsy.
Yes.
Our merry little chefs right there. We also have on QVC.com the Harvest Mix as well. And those are your 4 seasonal options here. But I mean, for $13.99, why not?
This is fantastic. And, you know, I jumped onto the silicone thing, I'm going to say like 10 years ago, but it was a little different because it wasn't a structured silicone.
Right.
So you would put something in silicone, but then you'd have to put it in on a baking sheet. And then I'm like, well, that kind of defeats the point.
Right.
This is BPA-free silicone, right? It's a reinforced all around the frame. So you see, you have real structure here, right? So if you want to put something in here that's kind of heavy, like we did with a chicken right over here, I just want to show you. This is like a 5-6 pound chicken. See how it can handle it?
Oh, for sure.
And see how it just, I love it because it's reinforced right here. It is dishwasher safe.
Oh.
So you can pop it right in the dishwasher, but you can do things like this. Your one dish cooking.
Amazing.
Do you like to do one dish cooking? Because I do.
All the time.
I like ease.
I like leftovers.
Oh,
so
do you
like
like
to do.
leftovers?
I love leftovers.
Not everybody does.
I know. It's funny.
I do
that
too.
way. I love leftovers, and if you do like, if you're gonna take the time to do like a big lasagna or a big bake, why not like break that up? I mean, there's only a couple of us in the house, so it's like, why not have something that you're gonna have for several or a couple days at least, or back into the freezer? But what I love so much about this is the fact that you just said dishwasher safe, but when else could you take your baker and reverse it and get into all those little nooks and crannies?
That's exactly right. I know. It's like it's so flexible and so easy. And because it's so flexible and so easy, you can fill it to the top or you don't have to fill it to the top.
Absolutely.
You can use it for things like your peppermint bark. Look, we know whenever we partner with Henning Lee, like they're just the best of the best.
Yeah, that's
they
so good.
always find a better mousetrap.
Yeah.
This is it. Open handles right there so I can really get a hold on. But you see, this is reinforced. Like, it's just amazing. And then I just want to show this down here, you guys, when you do your little marshmallow treats.
Anything sticky.
Anything sticky, whether it's almond bark, whether it's marshmallow treats, they're just going to pop right out.
That.
I know we're showing holiday colors, but here's what I want to say. If you've never tried this type of silicone before,
oh sure,
it's really great. It's also great for like a camper, an RV, on the go. Maybe you're going like to the beach and you want to bring some stuff with you. You're renting a house.
Yes.
This is the piece that is that on the go.
Oh, definitely. Just think about all of the different kinds of bakes that you've done in those like glass or aluminum pans that somehow just managed to stick down in there. Not the case here with this one. Chisel. We never want the chisel.
We never want that.
Not the case here with this one. It's so fantastic and just beautifully designed.
Yeah, the beautiful screen print right here. So this is the poinsettia with the cardinal. And the reason why these things are important to pick up now is because we're never going to make them again.
Love.
So, and by the way, this price,
yeah, you cannot beat that.
Bonkers.
I mean, $13.99, 3 easy payments.
If you have children or grandchildren, I just think that's a must right there.
Oh, for sure. What a fun reveal this would be, too.
Like they wouldn't know?
No,
I know you make your brownies in there.
Hey, who are those guys in there?
Totally.
So much fun. What is happening over here?
Wait till you see what I have.
Wait a hot minute here. I'm going to move all of these things, and we are going to see something absolutely spectacular right now.
Oh, my goodness.
Lisa,
okay, you ready?
What is happening here?
I'm bringing it over right to the top.
This.
So we did a mac and cheese in here.
Bubbling to perfection.
It's almost almost like it's in stoneware.
I mean,
right? Because you
truly.
still have the bubble,
Yes.
right? And you have the naturally non-stick. So watch this, you guys. Literally
Pulls
just
right off to the
pulling
side.
it right away from the side. There's something a little more casual about this that I really like.
I do too.
Like for Avisha, who has 2 young kids, right?
Yes.
This is just something where they can help.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? They're not going to drop it. Yeah.
Yes, they're not going to break it. Exactly. Especially with things like the marshmallow treats and the fun stuff that we get to bake with the kids and have some fun with. This is where everyone gets to enjoy in the house. $13.99. 3 easy payments of $4.66 to pick up your seasonal silicone rectangle baking pan. Poinsettia, our fun little Mary Chefs. We have it right down below in your holly peppermint, and then we also have it available in that harvest mix. Less than $14 for this one. First day at this very low price. Definitely want to grab these while we still have them because, as Lisa said, the team's not bringing this back, so definitely want to pick this one up. All right, well, I'm running all over this set in my